Welcome to the video. Okay, so this video is going to be covering a process of something very special for this car. A huge milestone for me and the car, and it rhymes, or it sounds like the word Binderia Betteration. We're restoring the interior on this 1964 Chevy Corvair. It's very deserving of an interior restoration. Just after all the work I've done to this car that I've covered on this channel, just getting it to run and drive, and just like the five years or so that I've had this thing. But yeah, so I've kind of already gotten started. Not exactly sure how I'm going to. I think maybe this video will be the tear down and prep video, and then I'll have another video of installing all of our pieces. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like inside right now, where I'm at, and then I think after I show you the inside, I'll show you the videos I've taken of me taking the stuff out. But this is the current state. Don't look over here. I've already kind of fitted a door panel just to see how it looked, but I want to end up taking that back off. And yeah, so here it is, current state right now. This frame, that's got to be cleaned up and painted. And yeah, so that's how it is right now. Also, I've got installed this steering wheel cover a while back. Looks cool. Anyways, yeah, so now I'll go ahead and insert the clips of me tearing down the interior. Alright, so I've got my seats out, door panels out, and I bled for that. But we're gonna rip this carpet out. So it's time to say goodbye to this old carpet, which is okay. It was all fuzzy over here where my feet were, big stain on that side, and it's just not the proper carpet. It doesn't have the nice like vinyl edgings on it, and it would always just fall apart. You see all the way over there, the friggin' threads are pulling out of it. But yeah, it's gonna look really clean. All right, so today I'm gonna be touching up this section right here with some Pour 15 paint. Okay, I got my paint, and scuffed them, vacuumed the floor right here, and cleaned it with some brake clean. It's good enough. So now I'm going to lay down Pour 15, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like after the first coat. Okay, there's our first coat of the Pour 15. I try to stay away from the threaded areas, obviously, because then it's gonna mess up my bolts going through there and gonna get all the threads all gummed up. Alright, so that's the second coat on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do here too. Not gonna bother with here. I mean, it would be really easy to just go ahead and fill that area in, but the reason I'm not going to, well, it doesn't even get wet in there. It stayed the best. And two-tone floors, badass. But yeah, I'll go ahead and do right here. Okay, so fronts painted. I'm gonna use the rest of what's in this container to do the insides of here. Scuffed it down a little bit, shot some brake clean over it, and I'm just gonna kind of tap the paint on there like that. It's a little bit, but it'll help. All right, we've got another wonderful brand new day out here. And I think today, whoa, self-closing doors. What you got on that, Tesla? Anyways, yeah, so the paint's dried. I laid this down yesterday. That's where I left off my last little video that I was making. And oh, I don't want to step on this screw step my feet because I'm barefoot. Anyways, what I was about to say, I know I had kind of said that I was gonna split this into like a prep and then install video. I think with the exception of the carpet, I think I'll have the carpet in here before I put the door panels and obviously before I put the seats in. But yeah, so I'm gonna, since it's a nice sunny day and it's gonna continue to be sunny today and tomorrow, and I still have my day off tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and lay the carpet out here so it can unfold from its box that it's been sitting in for a couple of weeks. Okay, here's our box. Yeah, open immediately, but other stuff, yeah, like the seat covers. But this, I was like, this can stay in the box for a little longer. It's just gotta stay out here for time in the sun, flatten it out. But I want to pull this out right now and lay it out so you guys can see it. But right off the bat, this looks like a very nice quality carpet. Okay, there's our carpet laid out and it's already flat. It didn't get too distorted while it was in the box, which is good. So it's probably just gonna have to lay out for today and I can put it in. I got with the glue too, so I'll figure out what areas I want to glue it down on. Alright, so I've painted this little cover right here because it was still rusty. Painted that, fastened it down with these smooth, well, you can see these little Phillips head. They're actually little self tappers, but yeah, they have a smooth head on them, so I won't feel them from the carpet. And even use a little bit of sealer about right here, just to keep any moisture out. But now we're ready to put the carpet up here in front. Yeah, so carpet can come in now. Then I can start making my holes for the seat mounts and the seat bolts. Also, I did have to change the orientation of my shift cable because it was sticking out a little too far over here, so I had to disconnect it from here and then line it up so my cover could go on properly. Okay, so, well, one, this looks cool. Looks great. Nice carpet. Gotta cut the carpet for my gas pedal, but I gotta be very careful. I don't want to cut in the wrong spot. So, I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so here we are in my socks. Fitting the carpet, I put this piece in first, and I was thinking just to set up this piece first, but you know, it just makes sense to put both pieces in so you could set up them just to see where it lines up and everything. But yeah, got the back. I've started right here. Push this back. This part's supposed to peel up over like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna get some. They gave me glue, so sweet. I got glue I can use. I'll clean it with a little bit of brake clean on a rag, and yeah, we'll get in this carpet fitted. It's looking great. All right, so I'm centering this back piece right now. A good way to center it that I'm kind of seeing is just to get these two in line with each other, the studs. I had the way I set it up and how I was about to glue it. I actually got to shift it a bit more because you see the vinyl's not going to let my seat bracket go down flush with the floors, so I've just got to kind of get it over here. And then first I want to glue this piece down, and so it tucks behind here so it looks nice and clean. And these corners here, if you push it like that, then it makes a hole where you got that, but you can just kind of have it go along with it, kind of like that. So this helps when it's like 90 degrees outside. Anyways, got some glue right here, so I can start putting this section down, like, you know, glue it down, fold it over so that I can kind of start working more over here and just make my way to the front. I've got this side glued down. Man, this is some work. There's some work getting this to fit. So the trick you see to get your carpet to have nice holes in it, well, they're ugly from the outside, ugly from the inside, but damn it. Anyways, to make the holes fit up like a screwdriver or a little piece of circular metal, this is overkill. I wish I had a little torch, but hey, you get that hot and then you can stab it through and then kind of move it around a little bit, and that'll kind of melt it around. Then you get the torch from the back and take up any loose fibers, so no carpet fibers get in your threads. That's how you get holes. And then I just located this one right here, so I want to pop it with something. all. Carpet basically finished up for the most part. You know, I still gotta make 2 holes for this back seat where it bolts in. I'll do that later. It's fine like that right now. And then just tiny little holes for these screws. But look at it, beautiful with these new kick panels in, and with these vents that I had painted. I made a little detail on, oh, that's a little surprise that I moved to the side right there. But I made a little detail with these vents. Once I painted it, took down this centerpiece with the razor blade, and then I put clear coat over that so it has a nice little chrome accent, sort of. Well, not really chrome, just, you know, a little bit of bare metal with clear coat. And behind these fasteners, I used a little rubber washer so I wouldn't scratch my finish up on here. But geez, these look real sweet. My foot pedal. Right, so that essentially concludes my carpet. Now what I've still got to do, well, one, actually carpets aren't completely done. I forgot to do the holes here for our seat belts. So yeah, I can probably get this from the bottom though, because it's glued right here, so don't think I'll be able to get it up much. But I can just poke a hole through the bottom and then do the same thing, burn it through. So I'm gonna end the video here now, because it is going to take a while for me to get these seats reupholstered, and then my back stuff, and I got to put that stuff in before I put my door panels in, because I don't want to risk scuffing them when I'm moving these things in. So it's going to be like this for now, but I'll get this video out for you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the process of this, and just looking at it. Look how pretty it looks. Look how nice and proper it is. I have a heel pad for my feet. It's great. But yeah, so I'll leave this video off here now, and we will be back soon for another video where we finish up the interior. So I'll see you guys next time.